Alright, we getting ready to take off. Been off duty now for...
You have 5 hours and 37 minutes of remaining drive.
I'm trying to edit my logs. Maybe I'll hit this. It said you must confirm. Wait, what's going on? Alright, so I've been off duty now for 7 hours and 48 minutes. I'm gonna make it, well, we're gonna start driving once they hit that 8-hour mark. So once I get over here to deliver this load, I'm thinking they're gonna take at least a minimum of 2 hours, and then boom, we can keep on driving. I do got a pre-plan, and we will discuss that in the next video. So we getting ready to go over here, you know, to the fuel. We don't need no fuel, but we're going to get that good old coffee to start this shift out. Some ice. And then we're going to continue this trip. Hey, what is up, Slime Pad Nation? Listen, I forgot to discuss the details of this load, so the video that y'all are seeing now is a continuance video from my last trucking vlog whenever I picked this load up that we're getting ready to deliver today. Now, I know that may be a lot to process for some people, so the load that we're getting ready to deliver now, we picked this up in my last trucking vlog. The load was a total of 353 miles, so 106 empty miles to go pick the load up and 247 miles to deliver the load. Currently, I'm parked maybe about 80 miles away from delivering this load. This load was paying a total of $933 for 353 miles. It was a drop and hook on the same day that I picked it up, and we getting ready to deliver it on the same day. So I picked this load up in the morning, and we get ready to deliver it tonight, which y'all can see. So like this video, leave a comment down below, subscribe if you haven't already subscribed, and enjoy the video. And I know it may be short. My bad, y'all. I got y'all on the next video. I promise.
Heading to Aldi Distribution Center, Saxonburg, Pennsylvania.
Oh man. This has been a crazy route. Car, please don't pull all the way up to the line. Guess we can get in the Christmas spirit. I'm on, I don't know, some back road of Pennsylvania. Currently I'm on South 8, going to PA 228, something like that. I had got off on 80 West. We're going somewhere up this way. Man, they had a steep downgrade right into a light. I hate when they do that. Then this car completely ran out in front of me. Like, I purposely think that he was just trying to cause an accident. Like, it really didn't make sense how he just pulled out in front of me. What you mean route recalculation? Girl, don't play with me right now. You better stick with the plan. You're like 15 miles away. And the prognosis said you can only arrive like no more than an hour before your appointment. But I'm seeing all the reviews. People unloaded early. They got staging. So I don't know. GPS saying I'm gonna get there around 9:41. My appointment is at 11. I've been trying to take it slow as possible as I can, so I can get there like right there at 10. But we should be good with the 9:40ish. Go back to my music. They say 13.5. Cut my music off. That say 13.5. 3,000 feet ahead. Trucks alert. Left lane. Okay. Maybe they talking about right there to the right. But they say no trucks or all trucks. Okay, cool. Alright, let's see if we can get the music to try again. Now this line is crazy. What is this truck doing?
After 1,000 feet, you will reach your destination. The destination will be on your right.
It's gonna be a long night. I'm gonna stay further back. I might back up a little bit, get up more room.
Evening.
Hey, how's it going?
I'm alive. How about you?
Same.
I got 2 papers there for you. Fill them both out. When you get to the front, just bring them in with you, okay?
All right, thank you. So I'm talking about, man. Speak. What we got? Paperwork. What's this next one? Basically the same thing. We'll get this filled out.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side, maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
Try to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you
Hey, we're gonna have to go all the way to the end and walk our paperwork all the way up here. Right there. Put my lights on. I might say some trailer in my door, but right there. Try to do this as smooth as possible. Can't even see the line. Alright, we going in there. I'm gonna have to pull up to open my doors. But we lined up. Let's go ahead and open these doors up. What kind of seal is on here? Can't remember if it was a wire seal or not. Dang! Now we gotta get these wire cutters. No hippie, if you're watching this video, I did get them wires. Them wire cutters that you sent me. But them wire cutters that I was using, where they at? Uh-oh. Where my wire cutters? Some trucker had gave me these. Alright, ain't nobody over there waiting on me. I gotta put y'all down. And there we go, a load of butter. Ain't even no load locks in there. Oh, get my lock, get my lock. After this, I gotta walk all the way back up that way to get on my paperwork, and then we can maybe lay down and catch a nap. Y'all see that green light flashing? We already got a green light. I think that's them calling me now, but I ain't sure. I ain't about to. Let me see. Hello? Yes, this is she. Alright, thank you. Alright, so yeah, they done. Wait for a call for my paperwork. I know they don't want me to go all the way out there and park and then drive all the way back to get my paperwork, but yeah. Y'all, it took me longer to check in than it did for them to unload me. Literally, it took them a total of 17 minutes to unload me. Slime Pad Nation, this prime dropper been over here for the longest. I'm not sure if he need wire cutters or what. You all right?
Yeah,
You need wire cutters?
Oh yeah, I appreciate that. I'm having trouble with this shit. This is fucked up.
There you go.
See how easy it is?
Yeah?
I appreciate you so much.
No problem. Alright, Slime Pad Nation, I almost forgot I was sitting here scrolling on my phone. I was in sleeper berth earlier for 8 hours, and now I've been here for off duty for 2 hours, and let's go look at this clock. Boom! We good to go. We can ride. Y'all gotta learn how to manage your clock, how to run your clock, take advantage of those splits. Now, I'm waiting to get my paperwork, and then we're gonna head on. Y'all like this video, leave a comment down below. Subscribe if you haven't already subscribed. And I'll see y'all on the next video.
As you fade away, as you fade